Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock cells in Excel. Whether you're sharing a sheet or just protecting key data, this tutorial will help you secure your work. Let's get started. First, let's select all the cells in your worksheet. The quickest way to do this is to click the small triangle button located in the top left corner of your worksheet right here. This button selects the entire sheet in just one click. Once you've selected the cells, right-click on the selection, and from the drop-down menu, click Format Cells. In the Format Cells window, click on the Protection tab. By default, the Lock checkbox is already ticked. This means that these cells will be locked when we enable protection, so leave this as it is. Just click OK to confirm. Now that all cells are locked by default, you can select the specific cells that you don't want to lock, meaning these will remain editable. Right-click, choose Format Cells, go to the Protection tab, and uncheck the locked box. Click OK. Next, go to the Review tab, and click Protect Sheet. You can set a password to prevent others from unlocking the sheet, or leave it blank. Adjust any user permissions below, then click OK. Your sheet is now protected, and only the unlocked cells can be edited. If you need to make any changes to the locked cells later, just go back to the Review tab and click on Protect Sheet. If you set a password, you'll need to enter it here. After that, you'll be able to edit everything again. And that's how you lock cells in Excel while still leaving some editable. It's a great way to protect key data while allowing flexibility where needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.